Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8th maths chapter polynomial. So, previous part we have stopped on the point of classification of polynomials. So first point was types of polynomials based on number of terms. So we'll learn it by expressions example. So its first type, and we'll make the columns. This is the number column. This is expressions, example of expressions based on the type of polynomial. Here it is number of term and this is type. So first type is monomial. Binomials is second. Third is trinomial. Fourth is multinomial. These three, monomial, binomial and trinomial, this time comes in polynomial. P for polynomials. And monomial means if in an expression only one term is given, example 24 or minus 15x raised to 4. These are only one term. This is first term, and next example is of minus 15x raised to 4. Here the number of term is 1 and type is first type. In second, binomial. Binomial means any expression, if any expression contains two terms, they are called binomial. Terms means numbers or variables that are connected to a plus or minus sign. Only plus or minus sign. So example is 7x plus 15. This is first term, this is second term. This both terms. Here number of term is 2 and type is binomial. Third is 24x raised to 5 plus 2y raised to 6 minus 3q raised to 5. Here the three terms are there, and if any expression has three terms, it is called as trinomial. Now these are also called polynomial, these are also called polynomial, and these are also called polynomial. Even this can be called as polynomial or multinomial. Fourth example of multinomial means number of terms should be 4 or more than 4. These are called multinomials. Example is x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 15. This is an example. I hope you have understood the type of polynomials based on number of terms. Now we'll learn the second type. The second type is type of polynomials based on the type of coefficients. So it is three types. First is polynomial over real numbers. Polynomial over real numbers. Second is polynomial over integers. Third is polynomial over rational numbers. Example on this is 3x square plus root 2x minus root 3. Second example is 5x square minus 6x plus 3. And this example is 3 by 4x cube minus 4 by 3 x square plus 2x minus 1. These are the examples. And after that we will learn degree of polynomials, and later we'll learn type of polynomial based on the degree. So first, degree of the polynomial. If the polynomial contains only one variable, then the degree of the polynomial is the greatest exponent on the variable. It is always a non-negative integer. Example, 4x minus 2 by 3x square plus 7 by 5x raised to 5 plus 9x cube. I'll write the example. Example is 4x minus 2 by 3 x square plus 7 by 5 x raised to 5 plus 9 x cube. 9x cube. Here the term with the highest power of x is this term, 7 by 5 into x raised to 5. The degree of the given polynomial is 5. So means the degree of the given polynomial is 5. If the polynomial contains several variables, then for each term of the polynomial it is necessary to find the sum of the exponents of all the variables. The largest sum is termed as the degree of the polynomial. Now the next example is 2ab minus 5a square b plus 7ab cube plus 9b cube. Here, the sum of the powers of the variable in the terms of the above polynomial are 2, 3, 4 and 3 respectively. This is first term, and the variable's powers sum is 2. This is second term, and the addition of the variable's powers is 3. This is third term, and the addition of the variable powers is 4. This is fourth term, and the addition of variables power is means only one variable is there and the power is 3. Here 4 is the greatest power, means it is the degree. 4 is the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. The highest power is 4, thus the degree of the given polynomial is 4. I hope you have understood till this. In part 3 we will learn the types of polynomials based on the degrees, and after that we will learn standard form of polynomials and zero of a polynomial. These are the easy topic. I hope you have understood this part. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.